Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are back today with another salivating video that I can't wait for all of you to feast upon. So first off, let's touch upon the total cryptocurrency market cap. We see that we have been slowly going up into an uptrend. I know it may not seem like it, but 5 out of the last 7 days we've closed in green, which is interesting, and we have had a 15% upgrowth, which, I mean, and I know it's been over 15 days, but if you carried that along 3 times, we would be back up here at almost the all-time highs. We're looking to, I think we're going to start to pivot and see if we crack the 702 Fibonacci. If we crack that, then we will go set all-time highs. Excluding Bitcoin, you can see that we've kind of we've been slowly grinding up, and it looks like it's just a matter of patience game now. And I think we are gonna start to see it very soon here in the month of July. But what I really want to bring to all of your attentions is this cryptocurrency called AllianceBlock. Now, before we get into this, just always remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You always have to do your own research. I'm just sharing what I love as my hobby, which is cryptocurrency. I love blockchain technology, and I truly do think that it's going to bring us a bright, beautiful future, and that it's going to boost the economy as well as make a better planet overall. That's what I truly believe in. But anyway, so AllianceBlock, bridging traditional and decentralized finance, which is a very interesting topic. So it's going to take the regular traditional finance market and it's going to bridge it with decentralized finance. That's huge. The stock market is over $100 trillion. DeFi and crypto in total, I don't even think we're breaking $2 trillion quite as of now. I believe we're at $1.4 trillion. That's absolutely astonishing. All that potential liquidity that could get transferred over, that's absolutely mind-boggling. Never mind, it could solve huge industry problems that need fixing. For instance, so the AllianceBlock ecosystem, we'll touch into this, but first I want to bring to attention your partners, because if we don't have good partners, we don't have a good project. So we seek the likes of Quant. For those of you that know, I love Quant. I love their project. We haven't made a video on them yet, but we will, trust me. And if you don't know much about Quant, you will love the project just as much as I do. We have Chainlink, another smart decentralized oracle. API 3, so APIs are essentially the glue of these projects. They're Cert.IK audited. We got the Amazon Web Service again, Station F. Who else do I know? GBG, that's cool. Hedera Hashgraph, another holding of mine, and a Hedera Hashgraph. Another thing, if any of you guys are Hedera Hashgraph holders, pay attention. They're gonna bring sharding to the network, and that's going to make unlimited transactions a very real possibility in the matter of a couple months here. Again, not financial advice. So this is going to be absolutely insane here. If we go up to the use cases, I wanted to bring this to your attention. This has to do with simplifying cross-border activity. Another partner, or not another partner, but another cryptocurrency that you guys all might be aware of is XRP, and how they're going to solve cross-border activity. Big advocate of XRP. I love what they're doing. They're actually stated in the World Economic Forum. If you guys haven't tuned into that, I had to read through 17 of the most boring pages known to humankind, but the World Economic Forum states XRP as an example for cross-border payments. Now that had me FOMOing in a little bit harder than usual. They also listed the likes of CeLo, Solana. We'll touch base on that in another video as well. So the use cases for cross-border. So the world is an increasingly connected place. We expect to be able to speak, work, watch, and play with whomever we want, wherever and whenever we are. The world of finance has, likewise, become more connected. Even immovable objects such as real estate are now global asset classes. with people and multitutional organizations buying property they may never see. However, asset managers now face ever-expanding regulations from global authorities, forcing them to either limit cross-border activity or expand significant resources to meet the burden. This in turn results in higher fees passed on to investors or the limiting of activity across domiciles. That is huge. That is absolutely huge. I believe the real estate market is a quadrillion-dollar market, if you're unaware of that. And what they're allowing more growth by removing the inabilities through cross-border, because business owners, or real estate owners rather, they're at a tough dilemma, because if they want to go overseas or do any domestic relations, they either have to have a really big vamp up in order to make these deals because of all the fees and penalties. But now, through simplifying this, the everyday guy that is in the real estate market can now have access to this broader market, and that's going to give it more of a competitive edge, as well as expand the whole global market as well. This isn't just after a small niche in the market. This is after huge industry problems. And one thing that is absolutely that I love to see. Oh, hold on. Come on, if we get back to here, is this right here. If this loads, compliant. That's huge, especially what's going on in the XRP lawsuit. They want regulatory clarity, and they are going to get rid of any cryptocurrencies that are not compliant. 99% of cryptocurrencies will die. I'm sorry if you don't like to hear that, but that's the truth, because regulatory clarity is going to come, and it's going to root out the ones that are all these rug pulls that I'm sure that you're seeing in the news, and all these sorts of horrible things. But this is a true project that is going to truly change the world by introducing traditional finance and capital market. Another great project all the way around. If you are curious, the price right now is 44 cents. It is on a come up from 17 cents. Again, not the best entry point right now. It had a high of 92 cents, but in the short term, this is how I view cryptocurrency. Short term for cryptocurrency, not guaranteed, risky. Cryptocurrency in the long term with real use case, guaranteed. It's at a $97 million market cap. I personally don't invest in anything without any use case. I see a lot of use case and a lot of upside potential to this project with its partners and its team as well. Absolutely fabulous. And this entry point, I would even be buying at these prices. Not financial advice. Do your own research. That's just what I'm doing, and I'm only sharing what I'm doing. So anyways, if we get back to this, I really would like to play this video to kind of let them speak on their behalf, and I'm sure they can orchestrate what they're trying to do a lot better than what I can.
As decentralized finance emerges rapidly, traditional finance institutions are only watching from the sidelines, unable to participate in the massive innovations, mainly due to compliance and regulatory restrictions. The question has become how to connect traditional finance markets with the decentralized and digital asset markets in order to allow a seamless and compliant flow of capital between both worlds. At AllianceBlock, we aim to bridge traditional finance and DeFi to add value to both areas and therefore create the future of finance. The AllianceBlock protocol will help financial institutions eliminate inefficiencies and take advantage of the potential of DeFi. We will enable much greater access to DeFi products, which will see billions of dollars flow into the space. In doing so, we will unlock DeFi for the world. We are building the protocol as a series of interconnecting but independent modules. These modules will combine to form the AllianceBlock protocol, but can also operate as standalone products. The initial product set includes 7 products. One of these products is our trustless Know Your Customer and Money laundering.
I just wanted to pause this real quick because this is a big problem in the space, is this right here, KYC. That is basically, for those of you that purchase cryptocurrency, I'm sure you've had to take a picture of your photo ID or your license or something along those lines to send it in so that I could actually verify that it's you. With this, it's a decentralized platform that can use verification processes. So in other words, it makes it a lot more secure, because imagine, right, your photo ID, your license is now in that exchange's data in their servers. And if that gets hacked, that your identity could be stolen right there. So this solves a huge security issue anyways, which I wanted to bring to all of your attention because that's big in the space. I mean, I trust Coinbase, but still, it doesn't mean that they're not susceptible to that. So just be aware of that anyways. All right, I'll play this again.
Identity verification module. This will allow users to prove their identity in a trustless manner, while also giving them control of their data. This module feeds into our cross-border regulatory compliance rule engine, another module. Once verified, users can share their data across the wider AllianceBlock protocol and start using the product while being compliant with the regulations in different jurisdictions. This includes products such as our compliant peer-to-peer lending, borrowing, and investment protocol, which will allow the likes of wealth managers to digitize real-world assets and have investors lend against them. It will also feed into our DeFi investment terminal, which will give users access in real time, granular, and actionable blockchain data, and aims to be the DeFi Bloomberg terminal. Our data tunnel module will make it easy for anyone to publish, monetize, use, and analyze data. Our pricing engine will provide derivatives and structured product pricing and cutting-edge risk analytics. This will be able to, for example, solve the risk of impermanent loss for liquidity providers. It would be open to all DeFi liquidity mining programs. All of our products rely on data, and our final module is our on-chain investment data API. Our API will house both on-chain data from multiple blockchains, as well as data from specialist providers. This can be used by DeFi partners, such as Parsec, Chainlink, and API3, as well as traditional firms aiming to build new, innovative trading algorithms. These first 7 modules represent the foundations of the AllianceBlock ecosystem, and a fully decentralized, globally compliant capital market, which will allow both traditional finance and decentralized finance players to connect, interact, and eventually ensure a flawless capital flow between both worlds. Building the future of finance.
Yeah, guys, this is going to be absolutely with traditional finance and DeFi coming together. That is going to be absolutely just mind-blowing amounts of money flowing through this. Absolutely insane. I definitely think that this should be on your radar. I hope that this video helped enlighten some of you, helped made you aware of some of the other projects that are out there. I mean, $97 million in market cap. Again, 44 cents, not the best entry. Had a high of 92. Do your own research, not financial advice. But this is something that I'm definitely adding to my portfolio. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope that provided some valuable information. If you could, do me a favor, like this video, drop a comment below on what cryptocurrencies you would like me to do a review on next, and subscribe if you'd like to hear some more cryptocurrency content. Thank you. I hope you all have a great day.